I'm Morris Hoole, founder of Dixmoor Enterprises. 1986, we started building timers for self-serve car washes. Since then, we've got about 8-9 different products, mostly timers, and also the Weep Miser, which saves a lot of water in the wintertime for self-serves, automatics, and a number of other functions where you want to save the water. You have to run water to keep from freezing, but you don't have to run it 24 hours a day. I'll just give a little quick tour here. So this is for the Kleen-Rite catalog primarily. And we have various timers, starting with this little one, from this size up to 3 by 12, which is similar to that one over there, but a little bigger. This one here is in between. It's multi-timer, can time up to 6 different functions, different prices, different times. When you switch the rotary switch or knob or selector, or however you switch it, then it can automatically, instantly adjust to the new price and time left that you have remaining. We get to the little timer here. Let's go back to this. This is basically the bay timer for most car washes. Right here is inventory, which is built in, keeps track of all the coins going in various times. There's 3 different things. It's manual turn on, wash down with a remote control so you can wash down your bays, auxiliary inputs, and standard quarter inputs. So let's get back out of that and go over here. This particular one is set up for the bay right now. We have bay, shampoo, multi-functions. We got 3 or 4 different things that can be programmed to, but let's do it the simple way, which the normal is mostly the bay for the self-serve car washes. You program it by pushing 2 buttons in the back. You can't see them, but they're right back here. Very simple. Right there is the first thing. It's coin value. So in the United States and most other countries we sell to, each coin is worth a quarter, whether it be Canadian quarter or whatever. So everything is done in multiples of this quarter. Next thing right here is how many seconds per coin. So if you put in 4 coins, you want a minute for $1, then 4 coins be divided by 4 times 15, 60 seconds, so that's 1 minute for the $1. And you go over here to the next function. It takes 4 to turn it on. That's adjustable from 1 to 99, which is everything. The next one is auxiliary input. We have an input there so that you can put in 1 pulse, whether it be from a coin acceptor or secondary bill acceptor or whatever, and make that 1 pulse count any number of multiples of the quarter. A little confusing, but it's really quite simple. You can always call Dixmoor or Kleen-Rite for better instructions and information. All this is in the instructions. Now we also, for the credit card systems, if you want to count up when they swipe the credit card, we have this rolling wheel count up. As it's set, we're right here on dollars, so this is showing actual money counting up. Without this little $sign over here, it's programmable. You either turn it on or off. Without the $sign, it'll be counting up in seconds. So you can do it either way, count up in seconds or dollars, depending on what you want as an operator. When it gets done, during count up, it keeps telling you to push the button when finished and all that. Otherwise, it'll keep going until it runs out of time and you pre-adjust how long it can go. Once it finishes, then it'll come up here and say thank you, tell you how much time has been charged on your card and all that good stuff. That all depends on the actual credit card system. Different systems make it say different things. When you use money only, you put in quarters. Here we'll have it set for $1. If you don't put enough, it tells you how much more. It can do it in Spanish or English or a combination of both, one after the other. Now if you don't put enough, like I said, it tells you put in more, so you put in another 50 cents. And that'll show the amount of time you've purchased and start counting down. So during the last minute, if you have a horn hooked up to it, it'll beep that horn for however many seconds you have it set to beep. During the whole last minute, these 2 zeros are flashing over here. It sort of catches your attention if you're not paying attention to what's going on, how much time you have left. At any time during the last minute, any time really that its time is on, you can add coins for more time. Like here, we'll just add 1 more quarter. Now you got another quarter's worth of time added to it. You can do that as long as you want. When it shuts off, you have, if you turn it on, you can program it so that you have 15 seconds to add another quarter, buy another quarter's worth once you run out of time. That's optional. Everything in here is optional, fully adjustable. It's whatever you want to do, we can make it do it. All you got to do is ask how, and we can tell you. You can program your own messages in there to say various things, such as welcome to John's Car Wash, or welcome to the Kleen-Rite Car Wash, or whatever you want to say. Don't forget to use our vacuums, anything you want. So basically that's it. This same thing is available now we're done. It'll say thank you and all that. Like I say, they're in various sizes from the little one here up to the biggest, which is 3 by 12. I think we're about there. You can call Kleen-Rite if you have any questions. You can call Dixmoor direct. Any questions you have, we can answer. If you have any special requests, chances are it'll already do it. You just got to learn how to do it.